S.K. Gujral's, what do you call it? The library here, and look at this. We are in Lucknow.
We are now in Lucknow.
Yeah.
This is the Ambedkar Sthal. It was commissioned by Mayawati in the 2000, late 1990s and 2000 and late 1990s it was commissioned, 2000 it was completed, and she wanted something for the Dalits, and in response he wanted to create something to honor the legacy of B.R. Ambedkar, and thus he borrowed from Buddhist architecture, viharas, and the plan was inspired by mandalas. Just pointed this. So the plan was inspired by mandala drawings and.
Okay, and it looks like this?
Yes. So you have entry from all four sides.
And you have these elephants there?
Yes.
Yeah.
You can't miss the elephants.
Yes.
Yeah. What kind of building was?
How do you describe him? He fought for the rights of the oppressed and the underprivileged.
Okay.
So the Dalit community, the lower class community. So he fought for their rights, and yeah.
Okay. Yes.
And he eventually sort of, because the caste system was based on, Hindus, so he also let go of his identity of being a Hindu, and he wanted to adopt Buddhism as a religion. Buddhists are, we know them together.
Okay.
Buddhism and Hinduism, he propagated that.
So is it?
Incidentally, it was his birthday yesterday.
Yes, it was
okay.
Yes, so we had a holiday yesterday. That is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar ji, and he's the one who's given us the Constitution of India.
Yes.
Yes.
I did that this weekend.
And Mr. Satish Gujral made this.
Yeah, he made this building monument to him,
Yeah.
to his legacy.
To his legacy, and taking his background, his Buddhist,
His inclination to Buddhism and
Inclination.
adopting Buddhism. So he will take inspiration from Buddhist stupas, the domes of the stupas, and you have these railings which remind you of the Sanchi stupa
yes.
inside.
And
Sculpture.
this is where this is sculpture of
B.R. Ambedkar.
B.R. Ambedkar.
There are multiple sculptures actually.
Okay.
There's one here as well. There's one of him.
This is the dome.
The dome with
Okay.
Buddhas clad on it with bronze.
Wow. Beautiful. And this is in Lucknow.
Yes.
Here, what did you say? We don't really see the Lucknow art or something like that.
We don't see Lucknow in the architecture as we see in a lot of other projects that he does, where we see this location of the site in influencing the architecture. But here, the site becomes B.R. Ambedkar, who has to be honored. So everything will respond to that.
But here it is dedicated to,
B.R. Ambedkar.
yeah, B.R. Shri B.R. Ambedkar.